In this video, we will be showing you how to install your J-BARR. Here are some things that you will need: a power drill, stud finder, 3/4 inch socket, 3/16 inch drill bit, 2 9/16 inch wrenches, a level, a 10mm wrench, pliers, a tape measure, and a 1/2 inch socket. Begin by using the stud finder and a pencil to mark the ceiling joists located directly above your parking area. Measure equal distance from the wall for both pilot holes. Once marked properly, drill 2 3/16 inch pilot holes. Slide the washers into the ceiling rail. Do this before you mount the unit to the ceiling. Run the lag screws up tight into the pilot holes, making sure to hit the ceiling joists. Next, attach the included swivel pulley. Use the centermost pilot hole and tighten with 2 9/16 inch wrenches. Next, mount the corner pulley with the included screws. Be sure to measure from the wall the same distance as the ceiling mount. This way, all pieces will align properly. Next, find the wall joist for the winch. Drill 2 3/16 inch pilot holes. Be sure to line up the winch with the corner pulley for proper alignment. When attaching the winch to your wall, first screw in the bottom lag screw. Then, making sure the winch is level, screw in the top lag screw. Everything should align when completed. Next, unravel the winch cable. Start by feeding the cable through the top pulley first. Then, feed the cable through the corner pulley. You may have to remove the pin depending on how close your pulley is to the ceiling. And finally, attach the cable to the winch. Tighten with a 10mm wrench. Be sure to add and tighten the 3/4 nut, which is part of the kit. If you don't have a power drill, the kit does include a hand crank. Once everything is assembled, take your time and wind the cable neatly. This will ensure smooth operation. Also, be sure to lubricate the winch. Clip your J-BARR into place and you're ready to go.